Using Google Analytics segments is a powerful way to analyze specific groups of users and gain deeper insights into their behavior on your website. To start, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Reports section. Segments are located in the top left corner of the screen and are labeled as such. Clicking on this will open a list of predefined segments, including all users, new users, and returning users. You can also create custom segments based on specific criteria such as location, language, device, or behavior. To create a custom segment, click on the New Segment button and select the conditions that define your segment. For example, you can create a segment for users who have made a purchase, or for users who have visited a specific page on your site. Once you have created your segment, you can apply it to any report in Google Analytics. This will show you the data for just the users in that segment, allowing you to compare their behavior to other segments or to all users as a whole. For instance, you can use segments to compare the behavior of new users versus returning users, or to analyze the behavior of users from different countries. You can also use segments to identify trends and patterns in user behavior that may not be apparent when looking at all users as a whole. Best practices for using Google Analytics segments include creating clear and descriptive names for your segments and using them consistently across all reports. It is also a good idea to regularly review and update your segments to ensure they are still relevant and accurate. By using Google Analytics segments effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of your users and make data-driven decisions to improve your website and marketing strategy. This allows you to optimize your website for specific groups of users and to measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. Overall, Google Analytics segments are a powerful tool for analyzing and understanding user behavior, and can help you to make informed decisions to drive business growth and improvement.